Well, hello there, fellow marketers. Welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the secrets to online success. Today's topic is going to set your marketing strategies on fire. We're delving deep into the Empire free traffic system. In this comprehensive video, we're not just scratching the surface. We're diving headfirst into the core of this game-changing system. We'll explore the ins and outs, sift through reviews, and unveil proven strategies to turn Empire free traffic system into your personal money-making machine. Before we begin, let's clear the mist around Empire free traffic system. Created by the marketing virtuoso Fergal Downes, this system is a symphony of innovation and strategic brilliance. Imagine gaining access to untapped streams of traffic, all without draining your budget. That's exactly what Empire free traffic system offers. A dynamic, results-driven approach to driving high-quality, targeted traffic to your virtual doorstep. Now, I know you're itching to hear what the buzz is all about. Well, brace yourselves, because the online marketing community is abuzz with praises for the Empire free traffic system. Positive reviews are pouring in from marketers across the spectrum, from the marketing novices who were once struggling to the seasoned experts who've seen it all. Everyone is singing the system's praises. Let's cut to the chase, the big question. How can you rake in the cash with Empire free traffic system? Friends, I've got you covered with a treasure trove of strategies. First off, tailor your content to match the unique traffic sources the system taps into. Relevance is your secret weapon. Next, dive into creating captivating, share-worthy content that strikes a chord with your target audience. This creates a ripple effect, cascading your traffic and amplifying your conversions. You're probably wondering about the brilliant mind behind this ingenious system. Allow me to introduce you to the mastermind himself, Fergal Downes, a maestro of the marketing realm. Fergal brings his wealth of experience to the Empire free traffic system. His commitment to propelling fellow marketers towards success is the driving force behind the system's effectiveness. Hold on to your hats, because there's more. Empire Plus bonuses and coaching are the turbo boosters to your journey. Fergal Downes goes the extra mile, offering a suite of bonuses and coaching resources for Empire users. These gems are your roadmap to navigating the system's intricacies and unleashing its full potential. Neglecting these resources would be like leaving golden opportunities on the table. Don't miss out. Still skeptical? Let's delve into some real-world success stories. Powered by the Empire free traffic system. Witness how marketers like you have turned their struggling campaigns into roaring success using the system's innovative approach. These case studies are proof that with the right strategies and the Empire free traffic system in your arsenal, the sky's the limit. As we wrap up this exhilarating journey through the Empire free traffic system, I want you to take one thing to heart: your success in the digital realm is within reach. The Empire free traffic system isn't just a tool. It's a transformational gateway to tapping into untapped potential. So, roll up your sleeves, implement these strategies, and witness your profits soar. Unlock profitable success with Empire free traffic system by clicking on the link below. If this video was an eye-opener for you, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more profound insights. And don't forget to ring that notification bell. Here's to your flourishing empire of success. Go out there and conquer the online world like a true marketing champion.